Hey everyone, do you want to roll back iOS on your iPhone's device? By mistakenly or deliberately you have updated with the latest beta version that is 27. Now you would like to roll back or downgrade without losing any data. Either it is assigned or unsigned iOS. How do you do that? We will see complete tutorial, step by step, real demonstration. So firstly, we will check it out by tapping on the manually on a settings, and we will see that is there any opportunity to downgrade or not. If it is not, then we will go with the alternative options. So right now, just we will tap on a general 2, of course, we will click on a software update, and we can see here that is up to date. It is a 27.0 hours. We don't have any opportunity to a downgrade. So what we will do, guys, here, just simply we will click for an administration, that is a yes 3U tool, and in 3U tool what we will do, guys, here, yes, we will click on smart flash to firmware, and in a firmware we can see here that latest one here is a green sign, that is a 26.5 that we can downgrade it, and 26.6 hours that also can be downgraded, but this is a latest one, that is a 27.7. so by mistakenly or deliberately you have updated, then you can roll back these to our signed versions files within one click, so that we will be able to download, and after downloading then we can go with the next step. Unsigned IPSW, when we would like to go with this especially. So signed IPSW, how would I do that? Simply, guys, simply we will click on here, and then we will come after downloading easy flash is given here. Now see, suppose here this is a signed, directly we can here, this is unsigned version, sorry, signed version, and there's a 26.5 that we can downgrade from here to here. Within one clicks we will download, and then we will select the retain user data. Don't select the quick flash mode, otherwise of course you will lose your data. So retaining user data, apps and application would be, everything will be retained, and we will click on here, and we will be able to directly click on here to downgrade. But right now we are going with 18.5 or less than 18.5 hours, so this can be possible, of course. First and foremost, guys, what we will do, we will come on a firmware. In firmware unsigned IPSW, we will select that we need 18.5, so according to your own desire you can have by this strategy. Now see, 18.6 hours, just we will start to a download. So now see here, it has started to download this firmware files. It's a downloading. On the other hand, what we will do, guys, here, we will come in a especially toolbox, and we will tap on send this stop update. So now we can see we have clearly sent here this. Now what we will do, guys, here, see, still it is downloading, guys, so let it complete. It's asking 10 minutes. Let's have demo with another iOS. Suppose here we are on these situations, we will come on a especially iOS to easy flash to, we will select here the custom and the retain user data, and we will elect these ones. And suppose here I have one iOS, let me here, we have elected 16 points, this ones. So now see, without verification we have imported, without making delay. Suppose this one downloaded. After downloading, just simply we will select the retain user data, and we will go with the especially. Otherwise, don't go with the especially, I mean the quick flash or anti-recovery or fixed flash, guys. Otherwise you will have a yes chances to lose your data. So we will select this one, and after selecting the custom, so you can bypass the verification of this, and we will go on here. So now that we can see here clearly that this would be a downgraded from 26.7, sorry, 27.0 to 16.7.6, and without making delay we will hit this one, and this would be a completely downgraded with apps and application with returning. So here the one thing more I would like to clear here, guys. Right now just almost this 18.6 hours has been downloaded, so just we will go with this one. But similar state this can be, otherwise if we wait for this then the video will be lengthy, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For the main inquiry or any errors, and then raise the query in the comments box. Plus, one thing more. Here, close iTunes while you're doing these things, guys. Unsigned IPSW when you execute, and then close this one. So this is all about. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.